What the heck?
Yes? Let me in!
Close the door.
Like I want it open.
What the heck are you doing?
There's this girl following me, and I think she's the one that kills all the missing people. Really, she was like trying to kill me.
Wait, what?
Yeah. She was like trying to kill me.
What did she look like? And it was a girl?
Yes. What, you think girls can't kill people?
I know that.
Yeah. Anyways, she has black hair, and she has highlights of red and purple.
Burble?
I meant purple. I'm just talking really fast and scared because, you know, she's coming. She said she's coming. She said she knows where I'm going, and she's like...
Wait, anyways, why'd you come, like, here especially? This is like a moment. I was in a moment. You know?
What moment?
You know, I just came here like 5 seconds ago. What if you were here? What if you came and I wasn't even here?
Then she would have killed me and you wouldn't have known who it was because she's coming right now. Let's go to your bedroom. Oh my god, she could be hurting me. Oh my god.
Knock, knock.
Don't answer it. Don't answer it.
It's probably my friend.
No. No, Melanie, don't answer the door.
Oh, hey, Melody.
Hey.
I want you to meet someone. Come.
Okay.
I want you to meet someone. This is my friend, Melody. Melody, this is... Who are you?
Oh my god, that's the girl that was trying to kill me. What?
Melody, she wouldn't, like, kill anyone. She's my best friend.
No, it's her. She was trying to kill me. You know me. I like when you kill anyone. Are you going insane?
Well, I'm gonna leave you
Can you leave us alone?
Yeah,
you know, I want to talk to her.
That's what I was about to say.
Look, if you tell her anything about how I was gonna kill you, I will kill you and Melanie. So if she snips anything about this conversation or anything that I was trying to kill you or something, I will kill you both. Because I'm not afraid of killing anyone else. Because I killed other people. You know about that. Those poor innocent families I've killed. Like so. Okay. I swear to God, I will not tell anyone. Good. Melanie, you can come back inside the room. Well, we're friends now. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
We are. I gotta go drink something.
Okay. Well, what were you guys talking about?
Oh, nothing. You know, usual that friends talk about.
So, why did you say she was like...
I don't know. She just, you know, really looks like the one that was trying to kill me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have a bathroom?
Yeah, come.
That's it. I am giving up on this series.
You know what?
This is the first episode inside of it, and you know you guys are ruining it for me.
No,
Shut up.
You shut up. Yeah!
Ow! Melanie, you can't do that to me.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do this over.
Yes. From the top, ladies.
Melanie,